Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. First, open your Janitor AI account, click your profile icon or go to settings and navigate to the API settings section where you'll find the proxy configuration options. Then select Use Proxy or Custom Proxy from the API Provider dropdown, which allows Janitor AI to route requests through your chosen backend instead of the default endpoints. Next, enter the proxy URL. This should be the endpoint of the external API service you want to connect to, like OpenRouter or your own hosted proxy server. Paste your API key for the service you will connect to, e.g. OpenAI, Gemini, Cloud, into the key field and double-check that the model name matches the provider's requirements. Then click Test API key or proxy connection to verify the proxy works. If successful, a green confirmation will appear. Save your settings to log into configuration. Once set, run to your character chats where Janitor AI will now route your conversations through the proxy, enabling access to the third-party AI models with your own keys. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.